Question number 1 is the one. Almost nobody asks out loud. Is your search console blind to AI mode queries that Google already logs elsewhere? If you only manage by clicks, impressions, and classic queries inside Google Search Console, you are steering with half a dashboard while Google AI Mode, Google AI Overviews, ChatGPT-style answer engines, Perplexity, Claude, and Gemini rewrite how buyers discover local businesses. I am going to show why Search Console underreports AI Mode demand, where Google already surfaces those signals outside the standard query report, the exact blind spots that make owners think traffic is fine when shortlists are slipping, a 30-day measurement playbook, and a weekly scorecard, so you stop optimizing for a dashboard that no longer tells the whole story. First, why Search Console feels complete and is not. Search Console still matters. It still shows organic clicks, average position, coverage issues, and the classic blue link query set. Smart teams live in it. Agencies export it weekly. Owners celebrate when impressions climb. That habit was correct when 10 blue links plus a local pack were the whole game. Then Google AI Mode and Google AI Overviews changed the click path. A buyer asks a full natural language question. The interface answers. Sometimes it cites sources, sometimes it shortlists businesses. Sometimes the session ends without a traditional organic click ever hitting your site. Search Console was built to attribute classic search results and site hits. It was not designed as a full telemetry layer for every AI mode conversation Google already understands on its side, so you get a false calm. Impressions look steady. A few money keywords still rank. Revenue softens. You blame seasonality, ads, or the sales team. The real issue is demand moving into answer surfaces your GSC query report barely explains. ChatGPT, Perplexity, Claude, and Gemini compound the same pattern on their own rails. Your own proof still matters. Your measurement stack just stopped matching buyer behavior. Second, where Google already logs AI mode style demand outside your comfort report. Google does not pretend AI answers do not exist. Product surfaces, help docs, Search Central commentary, and the way AI overviews and AI mode present sources all admit a new interface. The problem is operator access. You see fragments. You do not get a clean Search Console tab labeled AI mode queries with the same precision you get for classic web results. Blind spot number 1 is zero-click satisfaction. The answer ends the need to open your page. No click. Weak or missing row in the report you live in. Blind spot number 2 is query reformulation. Buyers type longer, more conversational prompts into AI mode than they type into classic search. Your GSC top queries list still looks like short head terms. The real intent lives in sentences you never optimized for and never measured. Blind spot number 3 is citation without click. Your brand or a page may influence an answer while the user never lands. Influence is real. Classic click metrics treat it like silence. Blind spot number 4 is local pack plus AI double stack. A homeowner gets an AI summary and a map-style shortlist in one flow. Your Google Business Profile signals matter more than ever, but Search Console site reports do not fully narrate that journey. Blind spot number 5 is cross-engine leakage. Even when Google logs something internally, the buyer may finish the job in Perplexity or ChatGPT after a half answer. Your competitive set is multi-engine. Your dashboard is still mostly one property. Third, the stakes if you keep managing only by classic GSC. If Search Console is your only truth, you will overinvest in pages that still collect impressions and underinvest in entity clarity, service page extractability, review specificity, and FAQ blocks that AI mode and other engines can quote. You will celebrate ranking for a head term while ChatGPT and Perplexity name a competitor for the full job-shaped question. You will cut content that looks low-click but actually feeds citations. You will miss that Google AI Overviews already changed the economics of informational queries you used to own. Local brands feel this first. Emergency plumber near me, dentist open Saturday, HVAC same-day repair. Those prompts are perfect for AI mode style answers. The winner is the business the model can defend, with clean name, address, phone, categories, hours, proof, and consistent third-party corroboration, not the business with the prettiest Search Console sparkline and the thinnest service pages. But it gets worse when agencies only report GSC screenshots. Clients think SEO is healthy. AI shortlist share is collapsing. By the time calls drop enough to panic, competitors already own the answer layer across Google AI Mode, ChatGPT, Perplexity, Claude, and Gemini. Fourth, the 30-day playbook to see what GSC hides. Step number 1 is baseline dual measurement. Keep Search Console. Add a weekly AI prompt battery. 10 money prompts, run them in Google AI mode or AI overviews where available, plus ChatGPT, Perplexity, Claude, and Gemini. Log named, mentioned as source, competitor only, or absent. Step number 2 is map GSC, head terms to full sentence demand. Take your top 20 Search Console queries and rewrite each as the real buyer question people ask an assistant. Optimize and measure those sentences, not only the short strings. Step number 3 is citation, readiness on owned surfaces. Publish plain HTML service pages that answer who, what, where, when, price range, and proof. Align Google Business Profile categories, services, and posts with the same language. Models cannot cite what they cannot extract cleanly. Step number 4 is review and entity hygiene. Specific reviews that name the service and city beat, generic 5 stars. Consistent NAP everywhere reduces recommendation risk when engines cross-check sources. Step number 5 is watch sources, not only clicks. When AI overviews or Perplexity cite a page type you do not have, build that asset. When they cite a competitor directory cluster you ignored, fix presence. Influence precedes clicks in answer first search. Step number 6 is separate vanity from rent. Tag calls and forms where the customer says they found you from ChatGPT, Google AI, or an assistant. That closes the loop Search Console cannot close alone. 5th, the weekly scorecard and the decision rule. Scorecard number 1 is classic GSC health. Clicks, impressions, coverage, and money query movement. Do not abandon it, just stop treating it as complete. Scorecard number 2 is AI mode and AI overview presence on your 10 prompts. Track week over week. Scorecard number 3 is multi-engine shortlist share across ChatGPT, Perplexity, Claude, Ramanan, and Gemini on the same prompts. Scorecard number 4 is extractability. Can a stranger and a model both learn your services, cities, hours, and proof in under 1 minute on mobile? Scorecard number 5 is booked. Jobs from AI-referred demand. If measurement never reaches revenue, it becomes theatre. Decision rule. If GSC looks flat or up while AI shortlist share is down, you are not stable. You are lagging. Reallocate a slice of pure ranking work into entity proof, service page clarity, review velocity, and prompt level monitoring. If both GSC and AI share fall, fix fundamentals first. If AI share rises before clicks, protect those citation assets. Do not starve the pages engines already trust. Recap. Search Console is not useless. It is incomplete for Google AI mode and the wider answer engine world. Google already runs AI experiences that change queries, clicks, and citations while your standard reports stay quiet. ChatGPT, Perplexity, Claude, and Gemini add parallel discovery paths. Teams that only manage blue link metrics will celebrate dashboards while shortlists slip. Teams that pair GSC with prompt batteries, extractable proof, and revenue-tagged AI referrals will see the demand everyone else calls mysterious seasonality. If you want that visibility layer without living in 5 AI tabs and a spreadsheet every night, Ninja monitors how often you appear across ChatGPT and the other AI engines, strengthens the local signals those models trust, and shows where competitors collect free recommendations while your Search Console still says everything looks fine.